YouTube. Thank y'all for tapping in. It's your boy Big Joe, man. We're coming back to you one today, bro. So y'all can already see what's finna go down, man. We're about to get ready to get Big Baby for sale, man. Get on here, get her put back together so I can put on that market. You know what I'm saying? I had her on the market like this for a minute, but she got about 2,000 views, but we weren't really getting no taps. Some people tried to trade some stuff. Of course, they're gonna do that. But we weren't really getting the traffic like we want to, so we're gonna go ahead and put her back together, man. Y'all can see I got the carpet laid out. About to get ready to put the carpet back in and the seats in today. Also, I just got some painting in from Summit Racing, a little single stage. So we're gonna get ready to do some touch-up work on them on the outside, of course, the hood, the roof, and all the board and stuff. Gonna get painted or whatever here in the next day or two. I'm just gonna bring y'all along with us, man. You know what I'm saying? By me putting it back together, I might bring you through the whole process. You just never know. But as you can see, cleaned out. I already wiped some of the stuff down in here today. As you can see, I got all the stuff put back here from all the other panels and stuff or whatever. But we're gonna get ready to wipe them down and clean them before I get ready to put them back in. But yeah, today, man, just for the seats and the carpet, man, that's how we're gonna do today. Probably prep a little bit of the hood and the roof, but those are the worst spots if you ask me, or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing done, man. I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking. I've been yapping for too long already anyway. So once I get done, getting everything back installed, I'll bring y'all back in and let y'all see what it looks like. And we're just gonna continue this little adventure, I guess, is what you want to call it, on the way to selling them. So we can get something different, man. Y'all tap in, man, and stay tuned, stay focused, man. We'll be right back. Peace. You too. Man, excuse me for looking tired, man, but it is hot out here. Good God, I don't know if I did something to the temperature or what, but man, it's storming hot out here. Hey, listen, I got it finished. Not completely, but close to it, I would say. Still got to do some more work to it. But on our journey to sell it, man, I think it looked way better than it did when we first got it. So I'm cool with it, and it's probably gonna look better in person than it is on this camera anyway. But we're gonna let y'all see what this thing look like, man. I'm gonna turn this camera around. Hold on. All right. If you know, you know. If you watch the other videos, you know what it looked like when it first came in. Now, it look a little great on this thing here, but it's really darker than what it is. I know it's probably lightening up in here or whatever, but you know what this truck looked like when we first got it. I still gotta do that seat over there too. I had to finish that one. That's why I said it's probably about 75% complete. I still gotta do that one, but it's not gonna be a problem. But yeah, she came a long way. Same way, it looked darker than what it really is on the camera. But you see it. It's 85%. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Chevy tan black. Like I said, tomorrow or a couple days from now, I'll probably be getting ready to put a fresh coat of paint on them so we can get ready to sell them, man. Try to turn us a little profit, and then you know, move on, find something else. But y'all drop down in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think about the interior, man. Like I said, it's real dark. It's darker in person than it is in the actual video. When I'm looking at it on the camera, it look lighter, but it's really darker. You can see some light spots. But I think for what it did, and for what this thing looked like when I first got it, great. Y'all let me know. If you ain't hit that like, hit that subscribe button, man. Follow us for some more videos. We got plenty more stuff coming or whatever. And like I said, I'm gonna bring y'all with me when I get ready to shoot it too, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. I ain't gonna make this video too much longer. Y'all know we're gonna keep them coming. Yeah, man. Y'all stay focused. Oh, Lord's a waltz out here trying to get me. Yep, let me get out. It's my time to get done. Hey, y'all stay focused, man. I'll let you tap in later on. Peace. So last minute decision, man, I decided to take a trip up here to Harbor Freight before they close. That way, in the morning time when I get up, I ain't got to worry about going to getting the kids up and bringing them up here just to get some sandpaper. So I'm finna try to rush up here before they close, and just go ahead and get that sandpaper for in the morning, and that way we'll be ready to start sanding on the truck in the morning, man. So we can go ahead and get that thing sprayed for the week out. I don't want to be working on it all week. I do want to kind of enjoy the rest of my little vacation or whatever. So we're gonna roll up here, man. Try to see if we can get this sandpaper from Harbor Freight, and I'll tap y'all in when I get back in the store. Peace. Lights off. I'm trying to get in. So, we ready. Go find some sandpaper, people. Hope they got something good. Hope they got what I'm looking for. DA paper. 320 grit. Oh, back in the corner. Let's see. Stick on this. That's what I need right there. And they got the 320. What I need right up here. Yes, sir. Yeah. I done got what I needed now. I ain't gonna bother y'all no more. Y'all stay tapped in, hit that like and subscribe button. Peace.